No, I went to Africa only so I could say I preached to thousands of people. And when I got there, I seen a body of a small child that stepped on a landmine. And it really messed me up. I stood over the body and I said, God, I'll do anything I can to help these people.
True to his word, Sam has built an orphanage that has helped and housed thousands of children.
We have a primary school, we have a nursery school, I have a clinic that I built all from scratch. We feed about 2,400 meals a day right now, so the project keeps growing and growing.
And as Sam's legend grows, so does the anger of local warlords who have put a price on Sam's life.
You worry much about dying?
No, I worry more about living than dying. It's the only thing in life we got to do once, you know. I've been waiting a long time for someone to kill me.
Is it appropriate for a preacher to have a gun and be out shooting people?
If somebody don't want to consider me as a pastor, that's fine. But I got to give God all the credit. Yeah. I mean, because when you hear the stories in there, there's no possible way that I could be alive here today setting if God did not keep me alive. There's just no way.
I want to ask people to pray for Sam. He's an incredible guy, but the terror that's being vented on these people, it's Satan. Satan hates human beings, and unfortunately those who serve him have got to be taken out of the way somehow or other. I mean, he kills, and somehow along the way somebody's got to imprison him or kill him or do whatever. This Coney is just a monster, and Sam, I wish you the best. You know, good hunting, brother.
Hey, God bless you. Thank you very much.
God bless you.
One more day, I lie on my bed. I'm afraid I will never feel full again. Where can I go for help? Food. Hope.
The silent scream, a scream we will never hear. Is this not the biggest sin? It is happening now. Why is this beast able to do what he does, and said he will destroy all humankind? My Creator, Lord, look at our beautiful children. See with my eyes, hear with my ears. They suffer.
If you have a child, somebody took your child, and I said, I can rescue your child, what would you say?
Oh, I'd kill every last one of them.
Sam didn't know when to stop. He would fight you until you wasn't moving.
Whatever I need to do to help these people, I'm going to do.
He's a changed man now since he accepted Jesus Christ and went to Africa and started saving the children.
I didn't realize that it would turn into a lifetime. Life really didn't change a whole lot. The heart did. But my life, you know, I still carry a gun. I still go out there and do some crazy things. It's just I'm doing it for a cause now. When you're doing the work for the kingdom, usually it's something you really don't want to do.
stand up for what's right in life. And unless you do that, you're nothing.
Now, folks, there's a war going on, and you're going to have to decide which side you want to get on. You can't be neutral in this one. People are going to get hurt. People are going to get killed. You better just get on one side or the other. The decision is very simple. You just decide which side you want to be on, and then do whatever your general says. If you want to serve the devil, you just go ahead. If you want to serve God, come on. It's wonderful.
You got to remember, none of these children ever eat till they're satisfied. They only eat enough just to barely, survive. This is totally unbelievable. Bring the camera over here really close and look at what they're cleaning up here. She's cleaning within the market floor, and then what she cleans up, she will actually take home and sort through it, and that's what they will feed the people with. This is really the stuff that we've seen in the market where they're sweeping up off the ground. It's really probably more dirt than it is food. Right here is some of the water. This water here has not been cooked or anything. This is the water that they're using to cook with. These people are literally getting drinking water out of here, right here. They're getting the water for bathing, drinking, and whatever. You are someone else. Over the past few years, people has always said I've been a man of action. And see, a man of action is not going to wait till all the paperwork's signed. He's not going to wait till all the I's are dotted and all the T's are crossed. A man of action is going to get out and move now and not think about it. And that's how you rescue lives. I've rescued over 1,000 people of South Sudan. And I'm going to even rescue more than that. But listen, you can do it too. I need your help right now. The last few minutes, you've seen the devastation going on in this country. And you can help. If I can do it, you can save a life. Help me now. I will let you down. I will make you hurt. If I could start again.
We have to keep you alive for now. Come on, scribes, even you need to eat. That's for you, Theophilus.
John, I'm afraid to even call you by name now. Jesus saved us. And he brought you, his last apostle, here into this pit. Why?
Give me that bowl. This is enough for you, old man. And consider it a gift for what little you get done at the mine.
You'll only earn yourself more enemies like that.
Is that a sin, Dimitri?
I wish I had your strength.
My strength. My strength does not come from me. It comes from the Lord.